Eliminex here. We're at this Tudor house. A lot of dormers, like two dormers. I don't even know what you call this. It's not a dormer. It could be a dormer, where it's like right off the front. Usually dormers are set back. These wrap around. You can see where they wrap around and touch the shingles. The Soffits wood, which is good, but the animals can find an edge and chew through. So I'm going to go into the attic to try to verify what kind of squirrels, if it's Eastern Gray. They climb right up the chimney, right up the grooves. I was hoping I can see something running around today. There's gutter guards. So there's actual gutters here where these, I guess, dormers don't have gutters. It could be some wood rot. Can't see, this tree's in the way. I already looked in the back. I didn't see any damage. Yeah, they could, because squirrels could just sit there and gnaw at the wood, you know. So the only way for me to know is to go in the attic to see if I can see anything. If not, I'll have to get a ladder. It's really well maintained, painted and everything. Usually these Tudors, the water collects right at the moldings and they start rotting at that. So this house is probably painted recently. They did some bad exclusion work. You see the bat where they've made a funnel. So it's possible. It's possible some of the screening's been opened up. The squirrels are getting in that way, so I'm gonna put my flashlight up there and take a look.